Right, this is take two, or maybe part two for the intro to essential oils. There's so much to cover and I wanted to make sure that we got them fully in different videos. So I was ending the last video with talking about diluting your oils. If you're pregnant, if you're nursing, if you're using children, do your research. You don't want to be messing with things. Essential oils are safe, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you're using them the right way. So some of the things you'll want to keep in mind, there are sensitive areas on our body that you should never put essential oils by. Our nose, in your ears, by your eyes, if there's broken skin. Steer clear of those areas. There are certain oils, like the citrus oils, that make your skin sensitive to the sun. So if you're going to be using them, make sure you're not going directly out sun, or make sure you're using your SPF. Keep those things in mind. Of course, if you have kids, make sure your oils are locked in a cool, safe, dry place, and talk to your kids and supervise them when they're using their oils so they know how to use them effectively. Same thing goes for husbands. Tell them that less is more when it comes to essential oils. They don't need to be putting 400 rounds of, past tense on their forehead. Just one little swipe will do. Let's see, one more thing. Hot oils. There are certain oils that are actually hot to the skin. When you apply them, they become warm. So let's see, cassia, cinnamon, clove. Those are my favorites. There is lemongrass, geranium, oregano, and thyme. Those are hot oils, so they will actually create heat on your skin when you apply them, so be careful and use dilution. I think that's it. Those are some of just, the safety guidelines I wanted to quickly go over. And I'm going to make another video here in a little bit about the beginner's trio, which are the 3 most popular starter oils, peppermint, lavender, and lemon. Like, they're my go-to. We go through them so much. So thanks again for checking out this video, and we'll see you in the next one.